Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can import Etsy reviews from Etsy to Shopify. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your own Shopify store, okay? And after that we are going to download an app that will help us import reviews from Etsy to Shopify. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store. Okay, so the app that we are going to use is just search for Etsy reviews. And there are a lot of apps that will help you do this, okay? The import Etsy seller and product reviews from social for social proof. Now there are a lot of apps that will help you guys to import reviews from Etsy to Shopify. Now let me just search for an app that will import from AliExpress reviews. Okay, so I'm going to search for another app, so that has to be free. Okay, there are a lot of apps, but they are paid, so I'm going to search for a free app that will help you guys import reviews from Etsy to Shopify. Now I would like to use this Wise reviews. Okay, it's free, it has a free trial and free plan available. So just search for search for Wise reviews, click on install, and yeah, after that you want to then click here, it says install again, just click on install. All right, now in the next page, what you guys need to do, okay, so it says here import reviews from Shein, Etsy, and Amazon, Lazda, AliExpress. Okay, so click on okay, so it says click this X here, and yeah, okay, so click on import reviews, and here you want to click on pick product, so that you can pick which product you want to import reviews to. I would like to import reviews to this exact product. Click here and then click on select. Now you want to the product URL. Now the product URL has to be from Etsy, so you want to go to Etsy and search for the product that you want to get the reviews from. Okay, so I would like to get reviews, for example, I would say from these shoes. Okay, this one has let me check if it has any reviews. I'm going to get it for example, necklace. Okay, so make sure you find a product with reviews. So this one has a lot of reviews. This one I'm going to import reviews from this one. Make sure the product is the same on your AliExpress. This is just an example. I'm sorry, is the same on your Shopify. Make sure the product that you are going to import reviews from on Etsy is the same as on your Shopify. And then enter here the product URL. Okay, and here the number of reviews. This may take up to 60 seconds. Make sure you wait a few seconds. I don't know why this is taking so long, but anyway, just give it a few seconds. And here it says product type. You want to set reviews for this item, just select here, and here you want to select the number of reviews. If you want to select, for example, I would like to import only 5 reviews. Okay, and here if you want to skip already imported reviews, you can skip that. If you want to import a reviewer profile picture image, you can uncheck it if you want. I have permission to use these reviews. Now after you are finished, click on import, and it says here importing reviews. Now these exact reviews has been imported to your own Shopify store. Now you can install widget. Click on install widget, and you can get a widget. Enable app blocks, and then make sure you enable it here. Just wait, give it a few seconds. I don't know why this is taking so long. All right, now as you can see here, guys, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, now you click on this enable app embed first. Okay, enable app embeds. Click enable Wise reviews. Click on save, and then you want to enable app blocks. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so after that you want to click on save. All right, now you want to then yeah, that's it. So that's exactly, guys, how you can install widget. As you can see, customize widgets. You can also customize widget as you want. You can change the color here to something like red. Okay, choose, and yeah, click on save, and that's it. Okay. That's it. You can also customize this as you want. For example, for the mobile format, the desktop format. You can make some changes if you want. After you are finished, make sure you save your changes. Okay. After you finish, click on save, and that's it. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. I'll drop a like, and if you have any questions, like I said, drop them below.